Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Let us look at the price action for gold from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for each time frames. And when we look at the economical events planned for today, at 6 p.m. we have 3 high impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and we already know that the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bearish trend. It has also broken the mid support line of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame, and it is in a continuous downtrend. When we look at the past price action, we have noticed a price action to take support at the support level of 1680. Then the price action has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. Currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side. So considering the past price action, if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on the support level of 1680 from the past price action. And if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to take support on the bearish channel pattern trend line or the support line. When we look at the current candlesticks, it has opened at the same level where yesterday's candlesticks has closed. But when we look at this level where the price action has bounced back, I am marking a trend line or a support line. So this trend line had acted as a resistance line in the past price action and also had acted as a support line in the past price action. Currently we are noticing the price action to come near to this support line. So even if the price action continues trading on the bearish side trend, we can expect a little bit of consolidation or a bounce back from this support line on the bullish side, because we have previous support level and also the midline of the bearish channel pattern or the trend line running over here. So it will require a little bit more bearishness to break this support level. And even if the price action retraces on the bullish side, we can expect it to bounce back from this previous resistance line. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the continuation of the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. So for the today's price action, we are expecting this area between 1689 to 1680 to be acting as a very strong support. And if the bullish side retracement starts, we can expect it to take resistance at the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1711, which is the opening price of the previous candle. Only when the price action breaks its resistance levels, we can expect it to continue its bullish side retracement. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect it to take support at the support level of 1657. So in daily time frame, since the price action has bounced back from the strong support zone, we can expect little bit of retracement for today. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bullish side retracement. Otherwise we can expect the price action to retest and to break the support line or to consolidate within this resistance and support line. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance level of 1807, it will only be considered as a retracement. It is not a bullish side trend reversal. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1807, it will be a bullish side trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In the hourly time frame also, I am drawing a bearish channel pattern. So looking at this bearish channel pattern, we have noticed a price action to be trading within this bearish channel pattern and has taken support on this support line of the bearish channel pattern. Currently we are noticing a bounce back or a retracement in hourly time frame. So next level of resistance is going to be the bearish channel pattern resistance lines. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to test the daily time frame resistance level of 1711. And above this resistance line, we have the daily time frame resistance line running over here, and it has to break this resistance line in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. And also we know that currently the price action has bounced back from the strong support level between 1689 to 1680. This is a very strong support zone. Only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing a little bit of retracement in hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement, or wait for the price action to bounce back on the bearish side in order to take trades on the bearish side trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. For 30 minutes time frame, I am again drawing a resistance line or a trend line. Based on this trend line, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish trend respecting this resistance line, and currently the price action has taken support on the higher time frame support level of 1689, and currently we are noticing the price action to retrace on the bullish side. So as long as the price action doesn't break this support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Next level of resistance is going to be the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we have the higher time frame resistance level of 1711, which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bullish side retracement, but overall price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. We already know that currently the price action is respecting the 30 minutes time frame support line or the trend line, and also it has given a breakout from the 30 minutes time frame resistance line, and it is in a continuous bullish side retracement. As long as the price action doesn't break this support line, we can expect the price action to continue trading on the bullish side in 5 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to be trading on a sideways price action. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1699 or 1700 in order to continue trading on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break the previous support level of 1693 to take trades on the bearish side trend reversal. Next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1689. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.